Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while others struggle financially? Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki reveals life-changing lessons about money that schools often don't teach. Stick around as we break down the key insights chapter by chapter, so you can unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Chapter 1. The Rich Don't Work for Money. Robert's poor dad, his biological father, values education and job security. Believing in working for money, his rich dad, a mentor and friend's father, teaches him to make money work for him. Fear and greed drive most people's financial decisions, keeping them stuck in a rat race. Rich Dad explains that instead of working for a paycheck, one should learn how to invest and create income-generating assets. Chapter 2. Why Teach Financial Literacy? It's not how much money you make, but how much you keep that matters. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. The middle class often confuses liabilities, like cars and houses. With assets, Robert emphasizes the importance of acquiring real assets, like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Chapter 3. Mind Your Own Business. Focus on building your asset column rather than someone else's. Keep your day job, but start building investments or businesses on the side. Financial independence comes from creating multiple streams of income. Rich Dad advises Robert to invest his time and money into businesses or investments that generate passive income. Chapter 4. The History of Taxes and the Power of Corporations. The rich use corporations as a legal way to reduce taxes and protect assets. Understanding how taxes work gives you an edge in growing wealth. The poor and middle class pay the highest taxes because they earn through wages, not investments. Rich Dad teaches Robert to pay himself first by reinvesting profits and minimizing tax liabilities. Chapter 5. The Rich Invent Money. Financial intelligence creates opportunities to multiply wealth. The rich look for problems to solve and take calculated risks. Success comes from creativity, knowledge, and the ability to act quickly. Robert shares how he bought a house undervalued during a market downturn, sold it later at a profit, and reinvested the gains. Chapter 6. Work to learn, don't work for money. Develop skills like sales, marketing, and investing to increase your earning potential. Don't focus solely on earning money from a job. Learn skills that help you grow wealth over time. Seek mentors and take on jobs that challenge you to grow. Robert took a sales job to improve his communication and negotiation skills, which later helped him succeed in business. Chapter 7. Overcoming Obstacles. Fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance are the biggest barriers to financial success. Learn to manage risk and take action despite fear. Discipline and persistence are essential to build wealth. Robert emphasizes the importance of self-reflection to identify and overcome personal fears and doubts. Chapter 8. Getting Started. Take small steps to build financial intelligence. Set clear financial goals and create a plan. Start by learning, taking risks, and seeking opportunities to grow your assets. Start reading financial books. Attend workshops or courses on investing. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. Chapter 9. Still want more? Here are some to-dos. Commit to continuous learning about finance. Join investment groups and learn by doing. Teach others what you've learned to solidify your knowledge. Robert encourages readers to take action by making their first small investment, even if it's just buying a few stocks. And there you have it, the chapter-wise summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with knowledge and action. Which of these lessons resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing book summaries. See you in the next video.